cub, cat and kitten, cow and calf, dog and puppy, duck and duckling, deer and fawn, horse and foal, goat and kid, hen and chick, pig and piglet, head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, tongue, hands, fingers, legs, toes, square, rectangle, triangle, circle, oval, cow, sheep, donkey, hen, duck, horse, pig, rabbit, goat, llama,